Hi, today I'll be diving into the world of premium travel credit cards, making a comparison of three industry giants: the Capital One Venture X, the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and the American Express Platinum card. These are the go-to choices for frequent travelers, luxury seekers, and point hackers alike. But with rising fees and evolving benefits in 2025, which one truly gives you the best bang for your buck? Let's get started. The Capital One Venture X is the relative newcomer, but it's shaking up the premium space. It was launched in 2021 and it's built on simplicity and value. It's perfect for those who love travel perks but don't want to dive deep into confusing reward systems. You earn double miles on everything and benefit from a set of travel features, a robust one at that, all while paying a surprisingly low annual fee for a premium card. The Chase Sapphire Reserve, on the other hand, is often considered the smart traveler's card. It was introduced back in 2016 and it took the market by storm thanks to its travel-friendly reward multipliers, strong transfer partners, and well-rounded insurance coverage. It appeals to people who are strategic about how they earn and redeem points. And here's the Amex Platinum card, arguably the most prestigious of the three. It's a luxury powerhouse. If airport lounges, elite hotel statuses, and lifestyle perks like Uber and Equinox credits excite you, then this is your card. It's not for everyone, but for the right person, it delivers massive value. So let's talk about the main features of each card. For the Venture X card, you get 75,000 miles as an early spend bonus when you spend up to $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. You also get 10,000 miles as an anniversary bonus, and this is equal to $100 towards travel. You get this bonus every year, starting on your first anniversary. You also get an annual travel credit of $300 and a $120 for global entry or TSA pre-check credits. And for the rewards category, you earn 10 times miles on hotels and rental cars that are booked through Capital One Travel. You also earn 5 times miles on flights and vacation rentals that are booked through Capital One Travel. And you earn 2 times miles on all of the purchases every day. There are airport lounge benefits, lodging benefits, as well as insurance and coverage. How about the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card? They have a best offer at the moment at 100,000 points plus $500 Chase travel promo credits when you spend $5,000 in purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. How about the reward structure? You earn 8 times points on all purchases through Chase Travel, 4 times points on flights that are booked direct, and 4 times points on hotels that are also booked direct. You earn 3 times points on dining worldwide and 1 times points on all other purchases. In total, you earn over $1,200 in annual travel value, which is spread over the annual travel credits, credits for stays with the edits, IHG One Rewards Platinum Elite status, $469 Priority Pass Select membership, and the global entry TSA pre-check, or what you call the Nexus fee credits of $120. And the Platinum card, they also have a great welcome offer at the moment, as high as 175,000 membership reward points when you spend $8,000 in purchases on your new card within the first 6 months of your card membership. Now the offers vary and you may not be eligible for an offer. Terms and conditions apply. But overall, there are also premium travel benefits. $200 airline fee credits, the global lounge access. There's also a $200 hotel credit and $199 Clear Plus credits. There are also travel insurances and other travel benefits that are associated. There are entertainment and dining benefits like the $240 digital entertainment credits, the $200 Uber cash, and the global dining access by Reze. When you also shop at Saks Fifth Avenue with your Platinum card, you get bonuses. And there's a $155 Walmart Plus credits. These are all great ones. And for the reward structure, you earn 5 times points on flights, 5 times points on prepaid hotels, and 1 times points on all of the purchases. These are all great features. But now let us talk about the pricing. For the Venture X card, it is $395 annually. For the Chase Sapphire Reserve, it is $795 annually. And the Amex Platinum card costs $695 annually. What are the pros and cons of using these cards? We start with the pros. For Capital One Venture X, the annual fee is the lowest of all. easy to understand rewards, and great lounge access for that price. To Chase Sapphire Reserve the pros: different credits that you earn as bonuses, the strong dining and travel multipliers, and best-in-class travel protection. The Amex Platinum card: unmatched lounge access, elite status at top hotels, and it is loaded with luxury lifestyle credits. How about the cons? For the Venture X card, the travel booking must be through Capital One for maximum rewards. For the Chase Sapphire, the annual fee is higher than the rest. And for the Amex Platinum card, it also has a high annual fee and is not ideal for everyday spending as some of the other cards. So here's the question: which one should you go for in 2025? Well, I'd say if you want a straightforward premium travel card with excellent benefits, solid rewards, and a great price point, then the Capital One Venture X is hard to beat. If you're someone who enjoys maximizing rewards and optimizing points, then the Chase Sapphire Reserve is probably your best bet. But if you're chasing luxury, you want prestige, and you want top-tier experiences, then the Amex Platinum is still king in 2025. But just be ready to work the system to squeeze every bit of value out of it. At the end of the day, it really depends on how you spend, how you travel, and what perks you want to manage. So think about what matters to you, and you make a choice. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore US Bank Altitude Reserve Visa Infinite, Citi Strata Premier, and Wells Fargo Autograph Journey. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.